Welcome to the CiaoAI Centralized Quant-Trading Bot Operation Demo video. In this video, we will explain how to import the API key into the bot. First, let's familiarize ourselves with the system interface. The home page is divided into 5 sections. Menu, User Overview, Real-Time Candle Chart, Bot Deployment, Transaction Log. Next, we explain how to prepare and import the API key. Private key preparation. 1. Please check the account, password, and the IP in the CiaoAI email. 2. In Exchange's API management, apply for a new API key. 3. Bind the IP in the email and check the read and trade permissions. Private keys import. 1. Log into CiaoAI system. Please change your password in time because your private key is involved. 2. Switch language in the upper right corner. 3. Click on Import API Key in the top right corner. 4. Click Get Code and enter the verification code from your email. 5. Input the relevant information in the designated fields. 6. Click Check to complete the API key import. Please make sure that you have funds in your account, tokens and money, and transfer them to the spot before you start bots.